This hostel is between the road towards Tulum and Playa del Carmen. When you pull up, you will see a giant gate. It is not difficult to find, but it is deep into the jungle. And the roads are quite bumpy, so here's what it looks like when you're driving in.
Oh fuck, it's a bumpy ride. It is a bumpy ride, gentlemen.
Also, when I travel or I'm in vacation holidays, I like to take videos of the places that I stay using Airbnb, Hostel World, or other apps. But of course, that's only if I like the place, if the accommodation was good, the hospitality. And what was special about this place is all the stuff around this massive jungle, like the stores, the little restaurants, cenotes, all these small businesses promoting with just like raw material, raw content, like the signs hand painted and nothing digital, no internet. It was like the perfect getaway. And to me it was special because it was also home to some tribes. I got to participate in a Temazcal, and also I visited many cenotes in this area because this place was just surrounded with a lot of activities.
Fuck yeah, man. Yeah.
I don't know if it's not well known because of name recognition, but it's worth the visit. Okay, I'm about to go to Temazcal with Shannon. So this is Copal. It's what purifies life, nature. So he's heating up volcanic rocks to throw them in there, and he's gonna use fine herbs for the steam to open the pores and let the medicine do its healing. What is Temazcal?
Temazcal is an ancestral
Ancestral.
essence we made for maybe 1,000 years ago.
Wow.
It's only for medicine.
Okay.
Only for medicine. Es solo medicina para el corazón
Okay.
y para que tu alma vuelva a creer en ti. Porque hay muchas cosas. ¿Qué es el amor para la gente? El amor no es tus ojos y lo que ves y la mujer te gusta. No, eso es parte del amor. El amor es algo que está aquí adentro, vive aquí adentro y manda y reina aquí adentro. Y es esa vocecita que te dice, esto es correcto, hazlo. O te dice, esto no es correcto, no lo hagas. Okay. El Temazcal te ayuda a creer en ti, porque cuando te dice la vida no lo hagas, tú no lo tienes que hacer porque la vida te está diciendo que no lo hagas.
I remember him telling me, loosen, let the music take you. You do dance, watch, watch. Boing. Smell it, lightning. Now, take it, take it, take it.
Adelante. A un lado de él. Ahí está bien. Préstame tu Ay, cabrón. Pues no se ve nada.
The Temazcal. The light just went out and this whole building just got out of the Temazcal. I'm feeling light and easy and Febreze. It ended with some Jamaica juice, and with some pineapple. You can't see it right now, but it's good.